Welcome back to another video. This is a different type of video and I'm gonna kick it to y'all straight right now. I'm about to cut my own hair. If you clicked on this video fast as hell, I'm gonna let you know right now, it's not clickbait and it's about to go down. You're probably wondering how I got here. I'm gonna tell you that in a second, but I'm letting y'all know off the rip. I did not ask my barber how should I do this. I did not research any barbers. I did not research any people who cut their own hair. This is me off the dome, fed up with the barbershop system and just about to do my own damn thing. When I first started getting haircuts, it was $10. I had the student discount. I was like, okay, cool. Then it went up to 15 when I was out of school. Then it went up to 20. Now 20 a nice even number, you still gotta throw in that tip, so you're talking about $25, $30. But that was all cool when I had a brush cut. I was in a wave game, they was cutting my entire head. I was getting the shape up, tape up, and line up and all of that. I'm not getting any of that done now. I have hair now. So normally I have a man bun or I have a 2-strand twist or plaits. So they're just cutting the side of my head. I do not get a line up or shape up anymore, just the fade. So that really can be done in 10 or 15 minutes. But sometimes, you know what I'm saying, we wanna talk and chop it up with your barber, which normally happens. They can make it seem like they're taking it nice and slow and doing a real good job on you. So on me, it might take 20. Long story short, with me not even really getting a whole haircut, a half a haircut done, the prices went up again pretty much in every barbershop because of the pandemic. $30 for a haircut right now, fam. $30 just to get the sides faded, not a tape, not a lineup, no razor, none. I don't get none of that. No Beijing, no, my face don't get touched. I do my own stuff and I go every single week. That's $120 a month. That's $1,440, $1,400 a year, not including tips. And you still gotta think you about to go to this barbershop and be waiting in that hole for an hour, 2 hours, damn near 3 hours. Or you can make an appointment and pay a whole another extra $10, $15. I'm done, bitch. I'm about to go on my own journey, bitch. T. Pendel the barber, bitch. Smash the like button, subscribe, turn your notifications on. Let's get to the haircut. Y'all hear that? It's game time. Now the first thing they normally do, they normally like start right here and then put the line all the way around evenly and then ball that area nice and clean and then start the fade. So I normally like a high fade, whatever y'all call it, skin fade. You know what I'm saying? That's what I normally get. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. As you can see right now, I pretty much got my baseline that bit crooked, but we're gonna see what happened to that whole round finishing time. So you see the baseline pretty much locked in, bitch. Let me show you this side. This side could have been a little better, but you kind of see it and get the gist of it. Now I'm about to take it from the baseline right here, and I'm gonna clean all that up out of there. Alright, that's a little bit of the side clean right there. I might just need to get some sharper clippers, but these holes ain't sharp like I want them, bitch. I need these holes sharpy warpy, bitch. So I'm having trouble with this joint right here. So I'm gonna just pop to this one and then just leave a butt naked one on here. And then I don't even know if it's the one. I'm gonna just leave the butt naked on here. And then I think I got too much hair for just to use this. It's not really working that good, but these holes are old anyway. So we're gonna pop it up. I'm gonna clean this up with this and then go back over it with this like that. Let's see if that works. I don't know if it's gonna work with it. Oh! I got action! I might open my own barbershop, bitch. I'm this close to opening my own barbershop. Comment in the comment section what my barbershop should be called. The name of the shop, bitch. Don't be trying to have no jokes down there, bitch. This ain't a roast session. Tighten up. I ain't done yet. All right, so now I'm back with these joints, and I'm gonna go back over here to make sure this whole area is like nice and bald. But I'm gonna give y'all like a little quick preview of what we looking like overall right now. Not too bad, bitch. I ain't going back to the barbershop. The people at the barbershop, if y'all watching it, bitch, I'm gonna miss y'all, bitch. I might slide through there. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna slide through there. I'm gonna miss y'all. Alright, so I developed a good base, you feel me? So this is my bald area all around, you know what I'm saying? So you can see it. So now we about to move into the fading portion. So I'm about to start fading this whole out, like right here. So that's what I'm gonna start. I bought these joints from Sally. They're supposed to be adaptable to all clippers. So I'm gonna start with, hold on, bitch, let me figure out what the hell I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna start with the 116, the 1.5 millimeter, and I'm gonna go about right there. And then I'm gonna finish it off with the 1/8 at the top and see how it look. Wish me luck. Scratch that, I had a quick change of heart. I'm gonna start with this bad boy, the butt naked again, and I'm gonna go lightly around, all the way around so you can't see that definite line, and then I'm gonna pop it to the guards. All right, so boom, butt naked, and then we're gonna go to the 116, 1.5 millimeter, and then we're gonna go to the 1/8, 3 millimeter. So boom, 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 boom. It's already fading, bitch. Look at that right there. It's already looking like a fade, bitch. I'm at the shop, baby. You see how it's a little dark right here? All right, y'all see how I got a little bit too much line right there? I need to go back up in here and get up in that like that. If that ain't make sense, shit, I'm confused too. All right, so first guard has been activated. Let's get it. Yo, that's not looking too bad, yo. Check game out. Not looking too bad right here. I just did this area right here. Not looking too shabby at all. Another king thing I noticed that the brush is always your friend. So I'm gonna just brush it down and see what I'm actually working with all over my dome piece real quick. Just to see. Now I'm going like up against it a little bit to the spot I wanna hit. It's really not looking too bad. I wish I didn't even draw that line with the sharp clippers off the rip. I wish I would just use the big booty body, big butt naked booty bodies. All the barbers out there, I don't know the names, bro. Don't take this in no disrespect. I'm just at the crib, in the bathroom. The guest bathroom at that. You feel me? Don't run up on me, bitch. I got clippers too. All right, so I'm on the final guard. I'm about to do this like top layer, like the top little layer right here, and like the top little layer right here. I'm gonna brush it down first. I'm gonna do this, then I'm gonna brush it down again, and then I'm gonna go over anything I think I need to fix. Final layer, let's go. It's kind of like making a cake, bitch. You feel me? I'm a baker too, bitch. What you like, muffins? What kind of cake? Pause. I'm about to go back over and just touch some things up. I think I'm gonna go back to the middle guard. This one, a 116 and 1.5 millimeter, and I'm gonna go back up around here a little tighter because I like my fade like a little higher. I feel like it's just too much hair sitting too dark for me right here. And if you see the grays, you understand that's just wisdom. You feel me? Mind your business. You in my business now. Don't do that, okay? I don't like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go back around the joint and then we're gonna see the finished product. All right, I'm here, guys, and this is the finished product. Barbers, if you're here, I hope you got a laugh. I don't give a damn. Leave some comments in the comment section. Any tips or tricks or anything I could improve on. Probably a lot you can say down there. But let me just give y'all a swivel. Might be a couple of spots I'm gonna look in some better lighting and see where I'm at. Ended up coming out of the shirt because I was hot as hell, started sweating, but I was in a panic mode, man, a frenzy, bitch. Smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, turn your notifications on, all of that ish is free. And here's my first time giving myself a fade at home. If any of my barbers from the barbershop are watching, hey, bitch, I'm a barber now, bitch. Shop opening soon. Comment in the comment section what I should call my shop. I'm out.